have a funny job here. It's a ream furnace. It's a all-style coil. Got our drains here. Yeah, the ream furnace here with the Linux coil. Got the call that we put a job in and it's leaking all over the ceiling, and they want their ceiling fixed. That's the problem here. They want their ceiling fixed because of this installation. There's a big trap down at the end there. It's hard to see. I'll try to get you some better footage. But I have some bad news for the customer. My company didn't put this thing in. Sorry. Sorry. Now they're gonna have to give them a price to change it out or to make the job right. So that's what I'm here to figure out. How to make this job correct. So this job is a mess. This coil is facing the wrong way. This is a splash pan that was not installed. That prevents splashing down there. We have debris scattered all over the place. We have carpeting. This is a complete fire hazard. Installation instructions. All this is a fire hazard, no platform. The old Linux coil. CH16-41-1 FF. Carpeting on the plenum, another fire hazard. Plywood. Brand new gas flex with no gas nipple. Crazy job. I mean, what's this silver tape here for? For air leaks? Yeah, crazy. Yeah. Let's put some silver tape here and we'll put some on the door here. That way we don't get no air leaks. Ugly. Here's the ream condensers outside. Somebody else put these in, some other company. This was a 2006 RAND. It's been changed out. I honestly think there's nothing wrong with the other one, but that's just me. 2011. Look at this job here. Unbelievable.